Hello, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to troubleshoot and fix a common issue faced by many pallet jack operators. Fixing pallet jack not lifting. We'll walk you through the troubleshooting process to identify the root causes and show you step-by-step methods to get your pallet jack back in working order. So, let's jump right into it. The first step in solving any problem is identifying the issues causing it. Here are some common reasons why your pallet jack might not be lifting properly. Low hydraulic fluid, air in the hydraulic system, damaged and worn out O-rings, leaky hydraulic pump. Battery or power issues for electric pallet jacks, debris, and mechanical deterioration. To keep things simple, we'll only troubleshoot and fix two main lifting problems in this video: bleeding the trapped air from the hydraulic system and replacing damaged O-rings. These two problems could also be the direct or indirect cause of the rest of the lifting problems mentioned earlier. Method 1. The most common reason a pallet jack stops lifting properly is an air pocket in the hydraulic system. Since the hydraulic pressure is required to operate the jack, any air pocket can disrupt that pressure and keep the jack from lifting. So, here's the deal. If you suspect trapped air is causing your pallet jack not to lift, give this a whirl. Step 1. Make sure no weights are on the forks. Then, give that handle a good workout. Pump it 15 to 20 times. This will bleed the air out of the pump, leaving only hydraulic fluid in the system. Once the trapped air is completely removed, the pallet jack will start to lift again. In most cases, this simple solution does the trick. However, if the problem persists, it's time to consider more extensive repairs. Method 2. Although the hydraulic system is usually tightly sealed, a worn, damaged, or cracked O-ring could allow air to seep through. If you're seeing moisture or hydraulic fluid leaking near the bottom of the pallet jack handle, that's a sure sign that you have a damaged O-ring. Now, let's delve into replacing those troublesome O-rings. These O-rings might be tiny, but they significantly influence your pallet jack's performance. Start by elevating your pallet jack to a workable height, ensuring the drive wheels are lifted off the ground. Use a jack stand or a block of wood. It facilitates unimpeded access to the O-rings and hydraulic components. Use an Allen wrench to carefully loosen the screw that secures the reservoir cover. To ensure thorough drainage, pump the handle multiple times to expel every last drop of hydraulic fluid. Once the hydraulic fluid is drained out, remove the lower lever. A pin holds the lower lever in place. Grab a Phillips head screwdriver and a hammer. Gently tap that pin and pull it out. Use pliers to grab the end of the valve cartridge and then pull out the old O-ring. Wipe down the insert where the new O-ring will be seated by removing residual fluid. Put the new O-ring in place and put the valve cartridge cover back over top. Lock the cover in place with the pin. Position the lowering lever back into the side of the pump body and secure with the retaining pin. Now, place the screw back into the pump body and secure with the appropriate driver. Time for final testing. Fill your pallet jack with the hydraulic fluid again, and let's see if your pallet jack is lifting again. If your equipment is still not lifting correctly, your best bet is to purchase a new one. To sum up, pallet jack not lifting problems can be caused by various hydraulic or mechanical issues that affect the performance and function of your equipment. By following the steps mentioned in the video, you can effectively identify and fix most of these problems. However, if you are still unsure or unable to fix the problem, it is recommended to consult a professional service technician for assistance. For those searching for top-quality pallet jack lift support parts, Pallet Jackson stands ready to supply your needs. Our website is a hub for premium quality parts across a diverse range of makes and models. From hydraulic components, such as hydraulic pumps, O-rings, sealants, gaskets, etc., to electrical parts, load support systems, and other crucial accessories, we provide them all at the most competitive prices in the market. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep your pallet jack lifting smoothly.